today I dedicate my life to you. I yield to you, set me.
What's up, everybody, and blessed Sunday. I hope you're all doing well. We are doing our signature drive today from the church, and today something just got my attention. As you all know, I am a mom, and whenever I go to church, I don't enter the main service. There's at least in our church there's a place that they've put aside for moms and their kids. Now I've been wondering, how much snacks should you carry for your baby to the church? Remember, the church service is only 2 hours. So my question to you today, how much snacks should you carry for your baby for the 2 hours you'll be with them in church? Man, I'm the kind of mom who doesn't like really carry a lot of snacks. I just carry milk and water, full stop. Besides, it's only gonna be 2 hours. But last Sunday, my baby really gave me a character development. She was picking anything that fell on the floor and putting in her mouth. So this Sunday, I was challenged to at least add one more thing to my snacks. So today she got to eat crepes. But I was just wondering, how much snacks should you bring to church for your baby? Some parents will have milk, yogurt, crepes, uji, donuts. For one kid, the period of the service is 2 hours. Mandazi, samosa, sausages, water, name them. 1 minute the baby takes a lap, they're given a bite of samosa. Next minute, a scoop of yogurt. The next minute, they sip some milk. It's only 2 hours. Please don't come after me. I'm just a concerned mom, because really the pressure is too much and you kind of have to keep up with what's happening. Otherwise your baby will really embarrass you. So how much snacks are enough for a 2 hour service? Because for me, I thought milk and water is okay. Just milk and water. Even at home, for crying out loud, they don't eat after every 2 minutes. No, there's a feeding schedule. So if you're going for a service that will take you 2 hours and you've carried like 10 different type of snacks, you are giving us pressure, and the pressure is too much. That's my thoughts for today. Let me know what you feel. Don't bash me. It's just a conversation. How much snacks should I carry to church for a 2 hours service? Enjoy the drive, stay safe, and God bless you.
Staring at herself in the mirror of her restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back.